Christmas, everybody. Okay, so today I am making a wreath for outside. It's going to go on my porch, and I just kind of needed something to go on my window because I want to take some family pictures, but my porch wasn't decorated, my front porch. So I just wanted to have a pretty backdrop, I guess, for family pictures, and so I didn't really want to buy any more supplies. So I just took those ornaments and I just put them on zip ties and made little clusters. And then I had some leftover PVC pipe and the foam that I put around the PVC pipe, and leftover garland, of course. And I made this little hoop, and I'm just wrapping the extra garland around this and tying it off with the little garland ties from the Dollar Tree. You have to excuse my hair because I'm in the process of going platinum blonde, and so my hair during the recording of this video was yellow. It was before I could tone it again. So I'm taking the garland and I'm just wrapping it around, and then once I'm done with this, I will kind of fill in with the little scraps, like the pieces that I cut. But like I said, those garland ties, they're from the Dollar Tree, so super cheap. And then I'm just taking my hot glue and kind of just sticking it on there. It's an outdoor wreath, so it's not going to be like, it can be a little bit messy. It's fine, but it's going to look pretty, I promise. Here it is, with the garland wrapped around it and done and ready for the ornaments. It looks so good. It really filled in nicely. Now I'm just wrapping my garland lights that I had extras of around the wreath. And then, of course, Jack has to pop in.
Hello, my name is Jack. My name is Jack.
What's my Jack?
Say I'm silly.
No.
Say I'm very silly.
No.
Okay. Alright.
And I'm just taking some jute that I had just kind of laying around, and I'm going to take my ornament clusters and I am going to tie them around the wreath. So pretty. I'm excited. I love it. So pretty. flip it around and cut all the little extra of the jute that's hanging so that it doesn't look messy. And if there's anything, just clean it up. Just because it's scraps doesn't mean it has to look cheap. And then I just took the extra ornaments that I had left and just kind of filled in where I thought they needed a little bit more. I just tied them on. It just wasn't full enough for me. Some of the clusters weren't, but look how pretty it is. It's so pretty. This will be such a pretty backdrop for our family pictures. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you ring the bell so you can follow me for more DIY that is coming soon. Bye!